my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Walgreens is hiring again, and they seem to require very little actual experience. Now, of course, preferred experience is always preferred, but the actual requirements is very little. We're going to dive all in. Just know the link to this page, if you're interested in putting the application in, is in the YouTube description box below this video. Walgreens has a position open for a remote call center specialist, so you are going to have to be okay with taking inbound calls. This is a customer service job. However, this position starts at $15 an hour, and you will get $1 an hour raise up to $16 an hour if you stay for 90 days. After your 90 days of service, your pay goes up. But they're basically looking for somebody to do basic customer service. You'll answer that phone and resolve routine general questions and problems submitted by customers, physicians' offices, patients, or third-party vendors via different sources with limited variety, following the established guidelines and the standard SOPs and procedures that they give you. You're going to use computer applications to log and track the inquiries, as well as check status of items that require follow-up or involvement from other parties. You'll coordinate with other functional areas as needed, and you may have to call and contact the customer's physician's office for them or third-party vendor like an insurance company, asking them to respond to inquiries or notifying them of investigation results. Now again, the basic requirements that they're requiring are a high school diploma or GED, no college degree, somebody who can type and use a computer, type at least 25 words per minute, someone who has basic computer skills, someone who has basic search engine skills, like you know how to use Google and find stuff on the internet, someone who has great communication skills, and you have to have active home phone line and internet. They are not providing those for you, but it does sound like they're going to provide the computer equipment for you. Now it does say if you live in Alabama, Washington, California, Oregon, Massachusetts, DC, Alaska, Oregon, Hawaii, New York, Puerto Rico, or Chicago specifically, that they cannot hire you at this time. But that is all that is required. So no actual experience is listed that is required. Of course, they prefer somebody who has a year of customer service experience or experience in retail or healthcare, but that is not required. On top of the pay, they offer a standard benefit package that includes health insurance, paid time off, all the things. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.